these 6 things if you need restoration in any area of your life. Return to God first. Restoration begins with reconnecting to God, not just fixing circumstances. Book of Joel, chapter 2, verse 12 and 13. Acknowledge and accept responsibility. Many people delay restoration because they avoid truth. Book of Proverbs, chapter 28, verse 13. Renew your mind. Wrong thinking can sustain brokenness. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 23. Let go of offense and forgive. Bitterness blocks restoration. Book of Matthew chapter 6, verse 14 and 15. Break agreement with negative words. Every negative word spoken over your life can shape your reality. Book of Proverbs, chapter 18, verse 21. Rebuild your prayer life. Restoration requires spiritual strength. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 17. Subscribe to my channel for more. Remain blessed.